subscribers and viewers of our channel. Welcome back again to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to basically or briefly show you a tool I've been using called All Tools. Okay, so this application contains, so it has about 69 application in it. So it's like 69 applications embedded in an application. When we delve into this application, we have some tools and applications like Wi-Fi utility, where you can simply transfer files between mobile phones, and then you can pair them together, and then you guys can exchange data or some documents. I don't know what with this advertisement, they are worrying me. We also have this music group. You can just create a music group. So let me try and create a music group here. But before you do that, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi and also turn on. Where is it? You also turn on your location as well. Okay, so I've turned on my location devices, and it's asking me to scan. Okay, so let's say if I want to join this group, all I have to do is to scan this barcode, and I'll be able to join the group. And when I join the group, if this phone, the server phone, plays any music, all these 3 connected phones are going to start playing music, the same music the server is playing on. Okay, let me exit from here and turn off my Wi-Fi and turn off this device. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so the next thing is CCTV. So the basically is asking you to turn on. Let me turn on this and turn on this. Okay, same way, is asking you to scan the barcode and you'll be able to join. So this is the camera, and I wonder how it works. Actually, I wonder how it works. Let me turn off this, guys. I hate turning on my Wi-Fi and my GPS. So control phone, you'll be able to get hold of a phone, but same way the phone has to be part of your network. You'll be able to scan and then they join. It also allows for only 3 devices. Okay, you have your walkie-talkie here, so you can basically create I don't have any group created, so it will be hard for me. So this is how it will be. So imagine this phone is just a phone that is trying to connect to the server. This is exactly how it will open the interface for me to connect. The next one is basic utility, like compass, leveler, speedometer, altitude, scribbler, notes, reminders, pendulum bob, internet speed, my location, signal strength, pathfinder, path tracker, touch, room temperature, IR remote. So let's try compass. Okay, so it's asking me to calibrate. So if I calibrate, this is my coordinate. it's able to give me my exact coordinate. And if I want, I can okay, so this has got to do with navigation. In case I want to go to a certain place, which our maps often do, it's nothing strange with regards to this. Just to get an object straight, you can use this if you don't have the leveler itself. I just like its accuracy. It's able to give you an accurate figure. The next one is a speedometer. This is a speedometer waiting for a running object or a moving object like cars, bicycles, motor. We have the altitude. It checks the altitude, the altitude you've gotten to. We see the notes, the reminders, pendulum. Let's try the speed, internet speed. Okay, so we are trying the internet speed. I guess my internet speed is not good. It's not that good. It's just download. It's just 1 meg download. That's too bad. That's too bad. Alright. And then we have the signal strength of your network. Okay. Path tracker, in case you went to a place and then you want to track all the steps you've taken to that particular place. With regards to direction, all you have to do is to use this feature and then you are good to go. It will be able to detect all the path you actually used. Okay. Now the next thing is the camera tools. So we have the barcode here, the color detector, text recognition. So alright, I don't have any text here to use as an example of what I want to show. And this has got to do with turn on this, just like a camera stuff. We have the cam scanner, we have the magnifier, night vision. So let me try the night vision and see if it works. I don't think it's really working. Night vision is not really working. In this regard, we have the mirror. Okay, not too good as a normal mirror. Now we have the health utility. So let me just try and see. Let me just try my heart rate and see. Oh. So it's actually checking my heart rate at this moment. Okay, so it has been able to check my heart rate, and that's exactly what it has done. I'm fed up with these adverts. Okay, it's able to check the steps you've taken. It's able to check your BMI, all these tools. It has measuring tools like vibrometer, sound intensity, Sounds coming from certain places you might not be hearing well. You can use this tool to check that up. We have the ruler, the protractor, horizontal lens, speed trap. We have the metal detectors, just like this one. Let me see if, yeah, it's able to detect if there is a metal somewhere. It's able to detect if there is a metal somewhere. Okay. Alright. So on my body, it's not able to detect any metal. It's not able to detect any metal of any sort at this moment. But should I bring it near a metal, it's going to detect and then start sounding. Okay. So you see, it detects a metal, and this is how it works. We have editors like screen recorders, stop motion animations, like this one. So I draw someone up, stop motion animation. We have tools like paints, recorders, mics. Yeah, let me try and talk. See, we have the speech to text, text to speech. Okay, example, let me try this. Hi Joe. Sorry. Hi Joe.
Hi Joe.
You see? So we have this as well. Okay. We have extra tools like billing systems. It has almost everything. As I told you, it has about 69 applications. So this is applications within an application. Yeah, that's what I can say. It has converters, days counter, stopwatch, timer, number counter, random digit, generate barcode. It can generate barcode for you. All you have to do is type whatever and then you can simply generate. So let me try something funny and see what it generates. You see, it has generated a barcode for me. I like this too. It's very nice. We have this Android, no need Bluetooth to work. We have Vault where you can keep your secret stuffs. And device info. So basically, this is an application I've been using for my stuffs, and I wanted you guys to know about it. It has 69 applications embedded in one application, and the application's name is All Tools. Okay, you can get it at your Google Store. I don't know if Apple Store has this kind of tool. Okay, but I suspect they should have. Yeah, I suspect. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share so others can also have a feel of my videos. Thank you.